Hello YouTube, more than a year now that I'm using this helmet with a custom-made chin strap. It is working very good. Let's see what we have done here. So this is the strap for the dogs that I bought to replace the old one. I have the link of the first video up there so you can check it. What we have done, okay, let's remember this. We took the strap from the dog, we swapped it like that here, we fold it from here, we took it from the other side, as you can see here, we fold it also from this side, fold it back again through this holder, this rubber holder, and I went to a professional store to do this connection with the machine, with the needle, you know, like that. And also he put this in order not to destroy the edge of the strap. So this is working for more than a year. I'm using this as my second helmet. It's working great. I can wash it, I can do whatever I want. So I keep this 200 euros helmet for many years. Let's see again as it is, because a friend of mine asked this. The strap came here, as you can see, from this side up. It went back again, back from this plastic in the rubber holder, and this is the edge. So don't forget to measure the old leather strap with the new strap so you have the same measurements. If you want, you can make it shorter, longer, as it was the old one, the original one. You can do like that to make it smaller, and that's it. I hope this helped a lot. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, for extra comfort, you can buy this from Temu, AliExpress. Just put this pad for the chin strap, so it will be more comfortable for you. This is also washable, and it's very soft for your chin. Thanks for watching. Safe rides.